Hello Mango, welcome back to our 30 days of purpose, a Pilates journey with moving Mango. And today we are going to focus all about lifting your mood and start your day fresh. So if you're ready, let's bring this energy and positivity into our movement.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
Alright, let's start by allow yourself to sit on the mat, hand on your knees, open the chest, shoulder relax, take a deep inhalation through your nose and exhale deeply. Bring your hands on top of your rib cage, inhale deeply through the nose. You might feel your rib cage is popping up, exhale high the rib cage in and create a flat surface on your tummy. Inhale again and exhale deeply. That's great. Now inhale a little bit quicker. Exhale and inhale and exhale. And one more deep breath. Exhale deeply. Great. Alright, so hands on your knees, rotate your shoulders and reverse. And one more time just to feel good. And reverse. Rotate your head around the neck. And opposite direction. And one more. And opposite direction. And bring your head back to the center. Now we are going to open your arm to the side, palms facing up, and start to make a little pulse with the arms here. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. And 5 more. Sit tall. Inhale and exhale. And 3 more. 2. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And last one. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Now lengthen your arms, palms facing down. Make a big circle with your whole arms here. Inhale and exhale another circle. Very good. And 5 more in the same direction. 4 more. And 3 more. And 2. Lengthen the spine. Open the chest. Last one. Now reverse. And 10 more. And 9. And 8. Lengthen the spine. Sit up tall still. 7. And 6. And 5. Big circle. 4. Use the whole shoulders to rotate. And 2. And last one. And bring your arm to the side again. Now reach your hand to the right and reach your hand to the left. Lengthen your whole arms, your whole torso. Inhale and exhale to the other side. And one more time each side. And come all the way back and bring your hands down. Wiggle your shoulders, your whole torso. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply. That's great. Now we are going to go to your own form position first. Open your arms, shoulders apart, and your legs hip width apart, and press your hands, straighten your arms down, activate that upper shoulders. We are going to inhale, arch your back, open the chest and look up, cat and cow. And then chin your chest and roll the spine. Look to your belly button. And inhale again 4 more times before we move to the challenge. And round the spine. Each vertebra at a time. You can take your time here with your own pace. Listen to your body. And open, inhale. And round the spine, bone by bone. And open the chest. And last one, round the spine. And open the chest. And come back to the center. Great job. Alright, so now from here, tuck your feet. And we are going to keep your shoulders down, lift the knees up, and hold it here. Lengthen the spine, look down, press your hands down so that your shoulders activate and don't have any tension on your neck. Lengthen your neck, look down. Hold it for 5 more. Take a deep breath still. Abs in and up. And 3. And 2. Inhale. And exhale. And last one. Exhale, knees bend and lower. Shake your hips from left to right. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply, and exhale, bring your feet to the center. Press your hand down and keep your shoulders activate. Your shoulders away from the hands. Lengthen your right leg, kick your leg up and lower the leg, and kick up and lower. Now try to keep your hips neutral and stabilized, and kick up and down, and kick up and down, and 5 more, and 4, beautiful guys, and 3, very good, and 2, don't arch your back here, keep your hips stabilized. Last one, knee bend. Let's switch to the opposite side. So lengthen, kick up and down, and up and down, very good. Again, stabilize the hips the whole time, and up and down, and lift and come back, and 5 more, and 4 more, and 3, abs in, 2, and last one, and bend the knee and bring your hips, shake your hips from left to right, rotate the ankles and reverse. Bring your forearms down, make fist at the wrist. Press your forearms down, activate the upper spine, tuck your feet, lift the knees up, and hold it here. And 5, abs in and up, 4, and 3, and 2, and lower the knees all the way down. And now we are going to press your whole your hands down, your whole forearms down. We are going to lift the hips all the way up to reverse V. You're going to move your feet a little bit, bend one knee and straighten one leg, and switch and switch and switch. You're going to feel the back of your leg is stretching the calf. Lower the knee, you can step forward. If you feel like it gives you more range of motion with the feet and feel more stretching on the calves. And last one, and bend the knees all the way in. Now we are going to do a little challenge here. So move your forearms forward, lengthen your legs, come to forearm plank, open your legs hip width apart. Now lift the hips up and shift your weight to the front. Lift the hips up again and shift your weight to the front. And 5 more, and forward, and 4 more, abs in and up, and 3, and 2, inhale, and exhale, and last one, lift up and lower and bend the knees down, come to rest pose. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply, you can round the spine to C curve now, and slowly come up and sit up. Wiggle your hips, take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. Awesome. Now we are going to lie down on your belly and make a fist in front of your chest. Press your forearms down, engage your abs, and lift the belly button in and up. Now your hip bones down, bend one knee, kick your heel in, and the other side, kick, and come back. And look to the beginning of the mat, and kick. Make sure you lift that belly button up so that you don't overarching your back. And 5 more times. And 4 more. Very good. And 3 more. To the left. And 2 more. And squeeze your butt. Last one. And last one to the other side. And lengthen your legs. Lower your torso down. And we're going to bring your hands behind your lower back. Rotate your head to one side. Squeeze your butt, engage your abs. Now inhale, use your hand, pull your torso up and rotate your head, look down. And look up, engage your abs. And rotate your head to the other side. Bend the elbows and lower your torso. Let's do it a few more times, see with control. So inhale, pull up and rotate. Exhale, lower and bend the elbows. Close the elbows in. Now again, inhale, pull up and rotate your head to the other side. Now engage your abs. Don't have to go too far if you feel like it's bothering your lower back. And one more time to the left, inhale. And rotate your head to the other side. And last one, lift up and rotate. And bring your hands all the way down. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply to your nose, and exhale, wiggle your hips from left to right. Now bring your hand next to your chest, close the elbows in, tuck your feet. If you have a strong wrist, let's try to press your hands down so that you can come up and hold it here for a few seconds, and slowly lower the torso down. If you feel like you want to modify it to make it easier for your body, bring your whole forearms down, engage your abs, lift the hips up, and lift the whole hips off the mat. And hold it here, take a deep breath. And exhale, bend the knees, lower the torso, come back to rest pose again. Round the spine, pull the belly button all the way in, reach your hands forward, and come all the way back. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply to your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. Exhale. Let's lay down on your back now. Arms along the body. Lift the legs up to tabletop. Heels together, toes apart. Now inhale, lengthen one leg to 45 and switch, and switch, and switch, and switch, and switch. And lower your legs a little bit so that you feel more on your lower abs. And 5 and switch. And 4 and switch, and 3 and switch, and 2 and come back, and last one, and bend the knees in, lower your feet down. Now press your feet down, lengthen your right leg up, press your whole shoulder blades down, and lift the hips up. Flex the ankle, lower the legs, point your feet, kick up, flex and lower, and point and kick up, rotate. Make sure that you keep your hips stabilized the whole time. And last one, 5 times each side. And bend the knee down, lower the hips down, and lengthen your opposite leg up. Lift the hips up again, make sure your hips stabilized. Flex the ankle, lower, point your foot and go up. Flex and down, and point and up. And 3 more. And point, go up. And 2 more. And point, go up. Last one. And lower the hips down, and bend both knees into the chest, hands on the legs. Open your elbows wide, shoulders down, curl your head up as high as you can. Now inhale, lengthen your legs to 45 degrees, and palms facing up, reach up even higher, bend the knees in, push your heels out, and knees bend, and push away. And 8 more times here with control. 7, 6. Every time you bend the knees, try to see if you can curl your chest up higher to deepen the abs. And 4, and 3, and 2, and last one. And bend the knees all the way in. Wiggle your hips, take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. Beautiful. Now we are going to lift the legs up to the ceiling, heels together, toes apart. Open your hands wide, press your shoulder blades down, and press your head down. Now start to bring your leg to the left. Circle all the way over the right and center. Opposite direction to the right. Go over and to the left. You know, do it for 4 more times each side. To the right and circle over, and to the left 3 more, and to the other side. Very good. And 2 more. Feel your obliques are working. See if you can make a bigger range of motion here, bigger circle, only if it doesn't bother your lower back. Otherwise, just keep it at the same as we do now. Last one. And last one to the opposite side. And bend the knees all the way in. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale. Alright, so the last challenge for today, use your hand behind your head and lift the head up. Open your elbows wide, lift the legs up. So we are going to push your heels all the way to the left. Open your legs and close. Bend the knees in and center. Push your heels to the right. open your legs and close. Bend the knees in and center. See if you can curl your chest up even higher. Push your leg to the left, open and close, and knees bend and come back. To the right, open and close, knees bend and come back. And last one, to the left, push open and close. Use your abs and go to the right, open and close, and come all the way back. And wiggle your hips a little bit, press your feet down, take a deep breath, inhale deeply to your nose, and exhale deeply. Alright, the very last challenge for today. We are going to inhale and curl your chest up again. You're gonna bring your elbow towards the opposite knee and try to reach up as high as you can and come all the way back to the other side. Reach up and come all the way back, feel your obliques. Reach up and reach up and reach up again and reach up, and 5 more. Exhale every time you go up. See if you can curl up a little bit higher to really work on your obliques, your waist. Beautiful. And 2 more to the left, to the right, and last one, and to the right, and come all the way back and head down. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply to your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. And 1 more deep breath and exhale deeply. And let's just stay here for a couple seconds before we finish today. I wanted to relax your body. Take a deep breath, and you can twist your knee to the left and twist your knee to the right. And 1 more time just to feel good. And come back, keep your feet together and close to the hips. Open your knees wide, make a little pause with the knees. And you can stay here if you feel good, or you can just bend the knees and bring your feet down to where you feel good. You can bring your hands on your thighs or on top of your rib cage, or open your arms, whatever that feels good to you. Relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose, exhale deeply, and keep breathing. And that's it. You started your day with energy and focus. Keep that fresh perspective with you throughout the day. Tomorrow we push into our lower body challenge. See you then. Have a great day. Bye.